April 4th is China's Qingming Festival, also known as Tomb Sweeping Day. The term Qingming in Chinese translates as clear and bright. This well-known festival is also one of the 24 solar terms that signals the arrival of warmer spring weather. For the Chinese, Qingming Festival is one of the most important traditional events in the annual calendar dedicated to remembering their deceased loved ones. This festival is also deeply rooted in Chinese literature, such as in the poem The Morning Day or Qingming in Chinese by Du Mu of the Tang Dynasty. A drizzling rain falls like tears on the morning day. The mourner's heart is going to break on his way. Where can a wine shop be found to drown his sad hours? A cowherd points to a cut amid apricot flowers.